Here's a video of my EDC rotation. It consists of frame lock flippers, all in M390 20CV or 204P steels, which is my preferred steel. I think it's that the M390 is the best steel for pocket knives that they make at the moment. Has all the characteristics that I like, and I've decided to mainly stick with it. There are two exceptions to that, to my EDC rotation, that don't hold on to those steels. This one here, the S571-Pro real steel. It's in elmax. I bought this because I like the real steel brand, and it was one of their limited edition versions, and it's one that I got. And my real steel Megalodon E801. It's in 14C28N. Again, not M390, but this is the one I carry if I want to do something that I don't want to put my other ones through, like for obnoxious cutting tasks or whatever. It's still a really good flipper, but doesn't comply with the M390 steel. We Practic. We Bishop. Zero Tolerance 470. I really like that knife. It's really good. It's quite a nice little zero tolerance. TuyaKnife Shuriken. Steel wheel. CutJack. One of the few ones that I got that isn't a frame lock. Isn't a titanium frame. It's got the G10 handles. Real steel S3 Puukko. Out of all the real steel S classes, this is probably the one that I'm not so in love with. Its flipping action is okay, but not as good as it could be. But still, it's M390. We Minitor. We 704 purple carbon fibre. Bought this one because Mrs. thought it was pretty, and I don't mind. It's good. It's quite a nice little flipping. It's a little pocket rocket actually. I bought this case for it, the but it quickly filled up. Reate Horizon D, my favourite pocket knife. It's simply magnificent. I've got really nice edge being put on that one by knife grinders. It was 25 best at one stage. It wouldn't be now, but it is still wickedly sharp. Reate Torrent, 2015 version with M390 blade steel. Reate Wave, my favourite gentleman's knife. It's simply spectacular. Like, it really well done. Flipping action is first rate. Just real steel Megalodon Eclipse. Again, really good flipping action. It drops shut pretty easy. Zero tolerance 456. Got the deep carry pocket clip, zero tolerance. Kai USA sent me. You just have to ask them and they'll send one out to you. Little chubby knife, that one. The 920, zero tolerance. It's a beast. It's such a big knife. Big recurve. Real steel Harrier. Bit disappointed in that knife. Still pretty good, but it didn't live up to expectations. It's the one, I think it's the only one I've got in 204p at the moment. Reate Horizon, Mini Horizon D, and the tie milled tie. I think that was the first Reate that I bought. I love it, but I like the bigger one better, actually, the full size version. This is still a decent knife. It's actually probably a better carry knife as such. It's right in that Goldilocks zone of being the right size. Yeah, 3.5 inch, 3.25 inch blade, I think that one's got on it. Again, really good action in their Reates, yeah, they're gonna go off really well. Real steel Megalodon, 2017 Titan. One of my favourite knives. First one I ever bought. High-end knives for like a $200 knife. It fires as good as any that I've seen anyway. Zero tolerance 804. Filled all the holes up with extra screws I got from Kai USA. They'll send them out to you. You just have to request them from them. My zero tolerance 562. I've had this one modified. It's got jimping on the flipper tab. I put the anodized screw set in it, and it's I added the lanyard onto the back spacer there. It's not perfect, but if they had followed the same pattern as what the original hinderer and had put the flipper on jimping on the flipper tab, that would have been, and a lanyard hole, it would have been my favourite zero tolerance, but they didn't. And Kizer Minitor, no sorry, Kizer mjolnir. I think that's one of the only production Kizers that come in M390. It's a big knife. It feels good in the hand. I like it. And last one, We Integral. It's a 702, I think, off the top of my head. They all fit in that nice little box that I had made up.